Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I am going to show you one easy face pack that you can quickly make, and this is like your emergency hack. Like if you have to go somewhere for a special occasion in 1 hour or 2 hour, and if you feel like your skin is looking dull and it's not have bright look and glowing, then you can use this will give you instant results. If you use this twice a week, you can get spotless skin. Also, your skin will brighten and glowing. So let's see how to make this mask. Take a bowl and add 1 teaspoon of multani mitti powder, half teaspoon of gram flour, add 1 teaspoon of water and mix well. Now our mixture is ready to use. Before apply this mask, wash your face well. Then take a cotton pad and dip into the water. Then deep clean your face like this. After that, apply natural instant fairness mask on your face and neck. Apply thick layer. Multani mitti will helps to improve skin tone. It has milk bleaching effect which helps in reducing blemishes and dark spots. Gram flour will helps to remove tan, clear up your complexion and lighten your skin tone from removing suntan and hyperpigmentation to evening out your skin tone. Besan does it all. Moreover, it helps maintain the pH balance of your skin. So these both ingredients are works well and you can get instant glow. Wait for 20 minutes. After that, wet your both hands, then gently rub your face. After that, wash it off with normal water. You can see instant glow on my face. So hope you like and get something knowledge in this video. See you soon with next video. Till then, bye.